Hello mga kasayko! This is Randy Deliosa, the only Filipino who is a psychiatrist, clinical psychologist, and master psychotherapist, all rolled into one. Today, we're diving into the proposed Eman Atienza Bill ni Senator J.V. Ejercito. This bill is also known as the Anti-Online Hate and Harassment Act. Ito'y nagbibigay ng stronger protection laban sa online hate, harassment, and cyberbullying. Sa Pilipinas kasi, tumataas ang cyberbullying cases. Kaya kayong mga trolls, haters, and cyberbullies, mag-ingat na kayo. Bibigyan na kayo ng penalties like fines or jail time. Well, ano naman ang cons ng bill na to? The big question is, there is a fine line between hate speech and free speech. Subjective kasi yan. What's offensive to you might be a joke or satire sa iba. Baka naman magamit itong bill na to for censorship, for silencing criticism and protests. Hopefully, ma-revise yung proposed bill na to prevent misuse. Now, tips for you. Unang-una, pause before posting. Tanungin mo sarili mo, kind ba ito na ipopost ko or hurtful? Pangalawa, report bullying sa platforms like Facebook or Twitter. Huwag na lang mag-retaliate. Pangatlo, support victims. Send them a DM like, "Hey bro, sis, I'm here for you." Lastly, spread positivity. Share uplifting comments, content to counter the hate. Mga kasayko, don't forget to visit randydeliosa.org, okay? Till our next topic, God bless you and take good care of your mental health.